Hi, Raj. This is John Checky. I have a couple of quick questions for you. First of all, congratulations on making a couple of investments with JJ. Tell me how you've liked those so far. Great. Raj, if you don't mind me asking, what would motivate you to move your current non qualified portfolio? What features, benefits to you would you like to see? We've uncovered several different versions, and I'd like to hear you describe whether you'd like to make it as simple as humanly possible or add a couple of bells and whistles. And based on your answers, we'll go ahead and tell you in the simplest format what's available to you. And based on our relationship and what we think you'd like to do long term, I'm going to ask if tax deferral is a consequence, and if so, describe to me what benefits you get from tax deferral. Okay, you're right. Let me go ahead and define what tax deferral means. Right now, with stocks, when you sell them for a gain, you have a taxable event. When you sell them for a loss, you also have a taxable event. When you receive dividends in a non-qualified account, you also have ordinary income. Would it be a benefit to you and your family to take advantage of accumulating the income and the gains tax deferred, which will help your return by about 20% based on the tax savings alone? Okay, so I'd like to describe the simplest one that we have uncovered for you. It has a 10% downside or 20% downside, depending upon what you think will happen over the next 6 years. We have our thoughts on that, but I'll leave that up to you. And then it has not just a participation rate in a couple of different indices, but it also has an augmented, in other words, a larger participation rate than the actual market. So you minimize your downside risk and have some additional upside potential. Does that sound good to you? And if so, explain the benefits to you, if you would. Okay, so let's get started.